Hey guys, it's Kai here with another how-to for you. And this episode is actually an exciting one because we're talking about one of my favorite subjects, real estate investing. So the important thing to understand about investing in real estate is that there is no single way to invest in real estate. Now, I could spend an entire 90-second long video just going over the multiple ways you can invest, but for this video, we're going to stick to rental properties. So here are some tips out there for my beginners looking to start their real estate investing journey. Let's start the timer. So, tip number one is to make sure you can afford the area. It's important to consider property tax rates, which can be astronomical in some areas. To determine your property tax, divide your property's assessed value by 100, then multiply that amount by your property tax rate. If you do decide to go the house hacking route, it's important to make sure you buy a property you can happily live in case the market declines. Now, buying a property in a less than desirable location or that has major flaws might not be the property you want to invest in. Consider whether or not the property will produce positive cash flow if a tenant were to rent from you that same day. Now, the faster you can earn money from the property, the faster you can build passive income. For all my first-time home buyers out there, the FHA offers loans for as little as 3.5% down. Consider speaking to a loan expert to see how you can get the lowest down payment and to learn about grants and rebates as well that can reduce cash out of pocket. So in the most simplest terms, appreciation just means an increase in value. Now, there are two types of appreciation, forced and natural. Forced appreciation just means that you're fixing up the property to increase its value, and natural means that the value of the property is increasing due to other economic factors. Like any other financial endeavor, you're likely to experience challenges. Real property has its surprises. You might experience a vacancy for an extended amount of time. You might experience value fluctuations or a broken pipe every now and again. Make sure you have a solid amount of money stored away in case of an emergency. And if you do your homework first, you'll be better prepared for the unexpected. All right, so I hope you guys are feeling a little bit more prepared now to start your real estate investing journey. And if this isn't the method for you, let me know in the comments below and I'll definitely cover some of the other ways you can invest in real estate. As usual, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you on the next how-to.